Ngiyabonga program director. Sanibonani. Sanibonani. Sekhaya phela kufanele ukuthi sizwakale ukuthi sekhaya. Hlala ngihamba ngikhuluma kwezinye indawo. But nakufika ekhaya kufanele kucace ukuthi sekhaya. Ngiyabonga kakhulu uThobile Bukhale from the Department of Culture, Sports and Recreation, Regional Manager khona, responsible for sports and recreation, responsible for arts, culture and heritage, responsible for ama-library wonke ayi-46 ala-eKharisibani. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nisihlalo then for the program ukuthi nihambe kahle. Okwami actually kuncane kakhulu, angifuni ukuyimosha. Into engijabulele kakhulu ukuthi ngisekhaya and bengidoubt ukuthi nangifika ekhaya khona umuntu omaziyo i-JZM Sami. But nakuqhamuka ukuthi siyamazi sisebenze naye, which means actually we are on the right track. So then mina just ngizokusho la ukuthi nje ngizobonga amakhansela wonke akhona, ngibonge then ubaba uGwenu osiholela lo hlelo, ngibonge then office la ka-speaker, abo-speaker bonke abakhona from a-district kuya phansi. Then ngibonge even ne-committee ye-disability because ngibona ngathi ama-programs amaningi asangiphushela kubo ngisebenza nabo kakhulu abobaba uMayisela nabo sisiqhubeka ngisebenza nabo kakhulu ngiyabonga kakhulu but nje engizokusho akumazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu njani mina ngiyakhona ngiyamthemba kakhulu njengoba sikhuluma la sikhuluma nge-library for all the disabilities okuhlukile ukuthi i-library bekade ikhona eKharisibani ngenkathi badizayina le-library lo wayeyi-designer wayengazi ukuthi ngo-2025 fana ukuthi kuya koThobile bayibona ukuthi le library le iyashoda ishoda nge-library for all the disabilities. So then into eyenzakalayo ama-library wonke ala sinama-library I think ayi-36 ala eMpumalanga ane-site eli-1 ifika lapha eSakhile kunendawo encane lapha just accommodate abantu abangaboni ne there are only I think la eKharisibani sina only 11 then namanye actually watholwa kwamanye but ngomusa kaNkulunkulu thina sine-library for all the library there yo angkhona ukuchaza i-powerful inamandla inabo bonke so then abantu abangaboni hayi ukuthi sinokushina ngebala kwabashela mhlawumbe ucaphuza mhlawumbe sikhuluma ngezinto eziyi-2-3 sikhuluma ngabantu abayi-10 abayongena abangaboni bakhona ukuthi basebenzise i-equipment lapha e-library sikhuluma ngabantu abadef then abazokhuluma basebenzise i-library sikhuluma ngabantwana abantu abadala abanganawo amalimi sangathi kunabantu ukuthi akanazandla akananyawo but then kune-equipment ayifaka la ekhanda kunama-laptop enzelwe just for bona ukhona ukuthi abhale enze yonke into khona lapha e-library so asithi all hayi ukuthi sithi abangaboni wonke umuntu so then into ekhona then eyenzakalayo ngifuna ukushara lokhu even nabantwana if then kunabantu abane-autism sakhe i-room lapha le-autism uthi yazi autism so then kunama-laptop aspecial because abantu be-autism sometimes bawalahla phansi lama-laptop ingaphuka but lama-laptop enziwe specially for bona noma ngathi uyilahla phansi angeke isiphuke leyo laptop so then for autism then kune-room lapha then bese kuthi enye into sizobe sine-podcast niyazi podcast sifuna abantu abakhubazekile so then ukuthi then if then bafika lapho kunomuntu ozoba-driver le-podcast so kule podcast siyibuka ngicabanga ukuthi abantu abadala bazabachazela abantu abasha ukuthi abantu abasha bazochaza abantu abadala ukuthi yini podcast so then kunomuntu ozobadila nge-podcast khona lapha e-library then into eyenzakele kweminye iminyaka most of the time nakwenzeka izinto eziningi zenzeka ehlanzeni I'm sorry to say that izinto eziningi azenzeki ngapha umusa kaNkulunkulu then sayimela sayihlalela bafuna iy'ncwadi bafuna imithi sayibhala sathi we are going to make sure ukuthi i-library yenzeke so ngomusa then i-library bayi-approve then ibe khona so then into ekhona lapha e-library kune-studio kunabantu abakhanya ngokuthi nasikhubazekile but then nasifunke lokhoda then asikhona ukuthi sisabise lokhoda kune-studio phakathi kule
sebenzile mama
so then kubo kune-company then engikhulume nayo bayibiza bathi kushuku company ngacela ukuthi then ngoba ngezwe ukuthi then banama-interns i-library leya into esiyenzayo khumbulani angithi kune-library endala ekhona kunoSisipho Waiver uSisipho i-manager yase-library so le site elingapha le-library so then alifani nesite elingapha ama-site ayi-2 le-library kahle kahle library yokuthi it's only disabled people. Into ehlukile ukuthi mase kunemishini mxhwanguxhwangu eyenzelwe just abantu actually abakhubazekile. So then uSinosipho then ukhona lapha library. What we did, ngacela ukuthi ngicela ukuthi then ngiphe just only 2 yabantu ngiphe internship yabantu abawu2 abakhubazekile ukuthi bakwazi ukubasebenza lapha library. Umuso wenkosi nange motivation babuya bathi Sithobile we are going to give you for 10 people. Njengoba sikhuluma manje le library kunabantwana abakhubazekile abawu10 abaqashwe lapha library for the period of 12 months. Bathola 1,000 rand. So bonke bakhubazekile kuhlukahlukile abanye bahamba ngama-wheelchair abanye beqala ukufunda different types of khubazeka kuningi kakhulu. So then bangichazele konke then bafana omunye kunomfundo for autism, khona responsible for abadeaf. Kunamantombazane amancane alapha actually aku-deaf okuya from ku-deaf SA. Bala eregionally make sure ukuthi baya benefits. So for 10 amantombazane actually I think it's 9 amantombazane no one even abe-admitted they are 10 balapha then eGarsibani municipality. So then into eyenzakalayo kunobuthabiso la uthabiso weve
Mixeni uthabiso.
Okay, nangu uthabiso incwadi le uthabisa kaboni emehlweni but ubhale le ncwadi so izobe so ngishaka le information sibona ukuthi abantu abakhubazekile kuningi abakwenza esingakhona ukwenza thina. So then usositshela iprice yakhona simsupport then siyithenge incwadi le actually yenziwe uthabiso. So bengikhuluma even no-chairperson wala iliko yazi izinto ngizengambona ngathi hey lo ngathi uzoya lapha ku-podcast ula yonke into actually yonke into but into esangishayo ukuthi i-stipend sabo khona sithi ukukhulakhula because angifuna kube khona umuntu omlekelelayo azohamba naye asikwazi ukuthi singaba imali encane. So then into actually engibhizi ngayo then bese ukuthi kokugcina nangisahleli la njengoba sikhuluma then kune-Sunbed Cares le ngicele kuyo le-sponsor yiba bangithengelele mxhwanguxhwangu elapha. Ngiyaqolisa ukuthabisa ukuthi then besenze ne-program yethu besiyenze nge-braille sine-braille lapha sikwazi ukuprinta for ukuthi abantu abangaboni i-program then iphumele nge-braille. So bebathe bayenzile but then bayenze embaleko but bengicela ukuthi nasimuva selawo masibala abantu abayi-6 simeke sure ukuthi lama-program wonke enzeka nge-braille. Do we have someone we-sign language? Kunabantwana abawu-10 abalapha kunoyi-1 ongakhona ukuthi asisize nge-sign language if then sisilokuthula then again. So bengicela ukuthi a message now nangihleli la Sunbed Cares bayamthumelela beloko silwa nabo ngicela ukuthi bengicela ukuthi then bangiqashele at least umuntu noma ngabe mhlambe for the period of 2 years okhubazekile then ozosebenza kuleya library ne. So then siyale nale nangihleli la then I receive a message so ngizoyishare nabo doctor then I will share to all the groups. Nasayifika then because bengithe for 2 years nayifika then post iphume namhlanje iya-advertiswa for umuntu ozosebenza lapha e-library ozobe aripota phansi kwakasiSinosipho permanent post.
Nasebenza bomama.
So bengicela ukuthi then vele kule i-manager responsible for the library kufanele kube omunye wabakhubazekile angeke silenze iphutha. So then whereas ukukhubazeka kuyahluka into engiyifundile kuningi kakhulu but ngizoyishare then emagroupini wonke yaselikwa babumayisela then because iGarsibani responsible for umasipala boyi-7 loko siSinosipho angeke compromise. The person must come from eGarsibani region benefit to that permanent post there esesitholi. So ngiyabonga kakhulu for all the support from the district. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for the support from the municipality. Kuningi kakhulu actually esikwenzayo si-Department of Culture, Sports and Recreation. Ukumhlulayo ukuthi ngenza izinto eziningi ngiyaxolisa vele ngabantu imaki bese ngisilima kakhulu ngoba izinto zami ziningi kakhulu. But anything that talks to sports nasikhuluma then singakhuluma. Anything that talks to arts and culture then sinosesilindo banobuthabisa then they are responsible for that. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Hey, ukhansela wenu isishosho.
Hayi uyahluka.
Isishosho. Yazi bathi thana ngokuthi noma uthi uyangigijimisa kanti vele because nami vele ngithola vele ngisendleleni siyagijima. So then so make sure ukuthi siyabenefita. Please usekhaya la ngiyathanda kakhulu but bengicela ukuthi ngajabula ukubona abantu baseLigwa abakhubazekile be-apply for this post ngiyacela. Angisho ukuthi unikeza umuntu waseLigwa but bengajabula ukuthi ningene ngamandla. I'm praying ukuthi le uNkulunkulu la kuya khona ekhaya abantu babenefite. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngibonele kakhulu.
Thabiso, alini incwadi?
Alright. Nayi Mike. Senzichaze nje 2 minutes Thabiso.
Sanibona lonke phakathi kwenu. Igama ngoThabiso Theli Mayila, umnikazi we-order, umculo, i-entrepreneur. Bengifisa nje ukuthi abe ngiphethe wonke wami kodwa ey'boneni ngithengisa ney'gqoko. Kune-brand yami engiyiphushayo ibizwa ukuthi Blinded Hustler. Ngiphinde futhi ngenza nama-podcast. So incwadi ngiyayithengisa incwadi i-150 kwamanje kusesenama-hard copies ku-digital stores izophuma next month. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngathokoza kakhulu nje ukuthola i-support yenu. For ama-contacts ningangithinta on with WhatsApp or social media yonke nikhona nje. Thabiso Mayila. Isikisi kancane ukuthi ngoba ngimuzwa kakhulu. Ititle lencwadi it's The Journey of Thabiso Theli Mayila. Being blind is not the end of the world.
Siyofika ulwazi. Uyaqhuba nohulumeni uyaqhuba nomasipala siyabona department yama-sports, culture and recreation ukuthi siqhubelele ngqondo. Manje-ke uThabiso usikhombise MMC uyahamba ngiyasibona lesaleya. Sijayele MMC siboka ukuthi ubide sisters. Siyabonga kakhulu. Bese sitshele konke direct. Sisebenzisene library, Thabiso nango incwadi ukuthi uphinde acule bathe kunestudio la. Kunestudio la futhi uphinde record. Yes. Lapha music wakhe. Sonke-ke sinama-talent ngokuhlukana kwethu. Let us make use of the opportunity. Ngicabanga ukuthi contact angeke ziphelele ngoba i-department ikhona ukucoordinate umasipala ikhona ukuthi sihlanganise phela-ke njengamanje ukuthatha le thuba ngibize u-chairperson sihlalo wala ekhaya umhlonishwa uNkosi azosenzela i-vote of thanks. Mhlawumbe before ungena chairperson, let me clarify one point. Phakathi akusiyo i-problem noma i-consultative program especially yama-special programs. I-program ye-agency ebuya e-ofisini lakaSpeaker elwa ukhansela akusiyo yabantu abakhubazekile, eyethu sonke. Kodwa this time around specifically targete abantu abakhubazekile ababerepresentwa yi-philanthropist yabo ubaba uSara. Hence kulaba abayi-stakeholder esibalulekile. Manje singabe sike sesiyayidiscouta sithi bekumele kube nabo bani nabo bani. Sikhona sonke, angifuni kusasa masifika kule process kungabi khona abathi bethu bakhe ngoba ngekho. Yethu sonke by the municipality, but this time sitargete siyazwana. Kodwa sibambile lokuthi kukhona la ngathi ngamareports khona sizokhama. Sihlalo sondela sihlalo. Bakujoba lokho
phakathi district vision ukuthi ibe consultation phakathi ukuthi kumele uzifike amakhaza kunje noma kusho ukuthi phakathi uzamile ukuthi ufike teaching. The engingayicela nje ukuthi i-communication ukuthi ingayimprove ngokuthanda ukuthi mhlawumbe nama-member committee mhlawumbe beyangabheki but njengoba beseshini to-issue artist fanele committee mhlawumbe postpone abambeke nenazi isikhathi abakabili manje mhlawumbe baprioritize ama-community program abo isibuka kakhulu nje district event nabo bisho basa-advise kakhulu kule-program. Enye announcement engayisho phakathi ukuthi nje kuhlangana kule committee next month sipropose ukuthi uzaba ama-consultation because kunama-section a-identified njengabo-extension 6 extension bakhe njengoba babeka ichaza lapha ukuthi kumele kube namagama abafundiswa yilabo. So from next month consultation ukuthi nomphakathi ezile process kube kakhulu umuntu
Pezana, vamos pegar,
Rajop. Indlela iyaphi jo?
So just this announcement, lunch that is prepared for the lunch day is our last part was the table. That is the only announcement.
Indlela indlule izekhaya.
mama sikusele kusini bese siyafana.
Meluke bathe boya.